In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install Hill Climb Racing game on your computer or on your laptop. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. Now for this tutorial, I'm using a Windows computer, and you can either use your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. The process is just the same. To get started, all you need to do is to go ahead and click on this icon down here on the taskbar. And this is a Microsoft Store icon. If you click on it, it will take you to Microsoft Store. Alternatively, you can also access Microsoft Store if you can't see it on this taskbar. You can also go ahead and click on this Start. And under Start menu, you should be able to see Microsoft Store here. If you click on it, it will take you to Microsoft Store. From here, go ahead and create a free account using your Google account, and you're good to go. You will now be able to search for any game or any app in Microsoft Store. From here, I want to go ahead and look for the game, and for this case, I want to download Hill Climb Racing. So if you can't see your game here, go ahead and choose the game option here, and this will go ahead and list all the games that are available on Microsoft Store, and you can download once you find it. Alternatively, if you can't locate your game, you can use the search function on top here. Just go ahead and type in the name of the game and you're good to go. Now that mine is here, I can go ahead and download it for free, and to do so, go ahead and click on Get, and this will begin or will initiate the download process of Hill Climb Racing. And as you can see, the installation process is on. If you even tap on it, it will also show you the progress from here. And as you can see, this game is about 96 MBs, so it shouldn't take much time for it to be downloaded and installed on your computer or on your laptop. And look at that, the installation is done, and now we have an option to go ahead and play here. So if you click on play, it will go ahead and launch the game on your computer or on your laptop. Now if you can't see the shortcut for the game on your desktop, let me show you how you can find it. For that, go to Start menu here, and you'll be able to see the shortcut for your game under recently added. Go ahead and right click on it, and then you can pin it to Start, and it will be added on the Start menu, and each time you want, you can launch it from here. Alternatively, you can just drag and add it to your desktop like that, and that will make sure that you have the shortcut for the game anytime you so wish. So that's how you can download and install Hill Climb Racing game on your computer or on your laptop. Now if this video is helpful, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.